Welcome to Basic Java class, Day 2. Methods are functions. Programmers are very lazy. Therefore, we created functions and methods. These allow us to take a section of code and set it as a variable of sorts, allowing us to call the code multiple times without retyping it over and over again. Here we have the method test method. All it does is when you call it, system.out then print ln hello. All this does is print in the console hello. We define as public void, meaning it's a public method and it does not return anything. Writing methods. To write a method, it must be outside of any other methods. You cannot define a method inside of another method. It's too complex. To define a method, you would write public void, whatever your method name is, parentheses, curly brackets, and whatever the method does. To call a method, you'd write the method name, parentheses, semicolon. Camel case. This sentence is in camel case. For camel case, the first letter of a word is lowercase, then all words afterwards, the first letter is capital. The use of camel case is to separate the letters, and it's good programming practice just to use camel case because if you have a long variable name like here, it's hard to read if all of them were lowercase, all of them were capital, if all of them were lowercase. So you put the first letter capital to separate the words. Writing program. To write a program, you have to initialize your variables. Then later you execute processes using the variables. Finally, you send user feedback or end the program. That's how a general programming structure would go. Here, we set a variable x equal to 5. That's initializing. Then we execute processes using the variables, which is printing out x, changing x, and finally you send the last result, which is print x again, but it will be 5 plus 5, which is 10. Variables, types of types. In Java, there are two groups of variables, primitives and non-primitives. Primitives include bytes, shorts, ints, longs, floats, doubles, booleans, and chars. Non-primitives include strings, classes, etc. Non-primitives are defined by the user and are objects rather than actual data values given by Java. When defining these, in Android Studio, the type will be white, indicating it as a non-primitive. Objects and classes. All FTC components like DC motors and servos are objects. They are non-primitives, and when defining them, the type will show up white in Android Studio to signify they are non-primitives.